Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping unveilings in the automotive and luxury travel world. The 2026 Bugatti and Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a hypercar-inspired RV priced at a mind-blowing $450,000. Imagine combining the performance and prestige of Bugatti with the handcrafted elegance of Rolls-Royce, all rolled into a luxury motorhome designed for the ultra-wealthy who refuse to compromise on speed, comfort, or style. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling palace, a statement of wealth and engineering brilliance, and perhaps the most extravagant way to travel on wheels in 2026. So buckle up, because we're about to explore every detail of this $450,000 masterpiece, from its breathtaking design to the high-tech interior and the powerful performance that makes it stand out from every other RV on the market. Let's start with the exterior design. At first glance, the Bugatti and Rolls-Royce Motorhome looks like no other RV ever built. Bugatti's hypercar DNA is instantly recognizable: sculpted aerodynamic curves, a low-slung aggressive front fascia, and signature horseshoe-inspired grille details. Paired with Rolls-Royce's stately design cues, such as chrome accents, LED light strips, and a Spirit of Ecstasy-inspired emblem, the result is a futuristic yet elegant RV that demands attention wherever it goes. Unlike traditional bulky RVs, this one looks sleek and refined, almost like a stretched hypercar with a luxury suite built in. The body is built from lightweight carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum, ensuring that despite its massive size, the motorhome remains agile and efficient. The aerodynamics aren't just for looks. Active spoilers and retractable panels adjust at high speeds, giving the motorhome stability that most RVs could only dream of. This combination of design and function makes it the first motorhome that looks equally at home parked outside a five-star hotel as it does on a coastal highway. Now, let's move to what's under the hood, and this is where things get really exciting. The Bugatti and Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a hybrid performance system. At its core lies a quad-turbocharged W16 engine, derived from Bugatti's hypercars, paired with an advanced electric drive system for smooth, silent cruising when needed. Combined, this beast produces over 1,200 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, a motorhome with the power output of a hypercar. That means this RV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, an insane figure for a vehicle of this size. The top speed is electronically limited for safety, but insiders claim it can comfortably cruise at over 150 miles per hour on highways, making it easily the fastest motorhome ever built. Advanced suspension and all-wheel drive handling ensure that passengers enjoy a stable, smooth ride even at high speeds. This is performance luxury travel at an entirely new level. But of course, a $450,000 luxury motorhome isn't just about speed. It's about what's inside, and this is where Rolls-Royce's craftsmanship shines. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a private jet or a luxury penthouse suite on wheels. Every surface is draped in the finest materials: hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, crystal accents, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The living area includes a spacious lounge with plush seating, a retractable OLED entertainment wall, and panoramic glass windows that can tint electronically for privacy. The kitchen is a gourmet masterpiece, fitted with smart appliances, marble countertops, and even a hidden wine cellar, because what's a Rolls-Royce experience without champagne on demand? The motorhome also includes a full-size luxury bedroom with a king bed, mood lighting, and an integrated sound system. The bathroom rivals those of high-end hotels, with rainfall showers, heated floors, and smart glass that frosts for privacy at the touch of a button. And thanks to advanced soundproofing, you'll never hear the roar of the engine unless you want to. Technology is another highlight. The entire RV is controlled through a central AI system that responds to voice commands and adapts to your preferences. From adjusting the climate to setting the navigation or even curating playlists, the AI acts as your personal concierge on the road. Rolls-Royce's famous Starlight headliner has also been reimagined here, with a customizable ceiling that projects constellations, sunsets, or even your own digital artwork above the lounge and bedroom. And let's not forget the driver's cockpit. It feels more like a Bugatti hypercar than an RV, with a futuristic steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and augmented reality heads-up display that projects navigation directly onto the windshield. Advanced driver assistance features, including autopilot highway mode, lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and smart collision avoidance, make long drives effortless. One of the most impressive features of this motorhome is the extendable living space. With the press of a button, side panels slide out to create a massive interior footprint. It transforms from a sleek, aerodynamic road machine into a sprawling luxury apartment once parked. There's even an optional rooftop deck with solar panels and a lounging area, perfect for stargazing or relaxing with a view. Now let's talk about exclusivity. The Bugatti and Rolls-Royce Motorhome is not a mass-market vehicle. Only a limited number are being produced, and each one is customizable to the buyer's exact specifications. Whether you want a bespoke color scheme, personalized interiors, or unique technological upgrades, both Bugatti and Rolls-Royce offer near limitless customization options. That means no two will ever be exactly the same. Who is this motorhome really for? Well, it's for billionaires, celebrities, and ultra-high net worth individuals who want to experience luxury travel in a way no one else can. Imagine pulling up to the Monaco Grand Prix, not in just a Bugatti hypercar, but in a Bugatti Rolls motorhome that carries your hypercar inside. Yes, that's another feature. There's an integrated garage bay in the rear that can store a sports car or luxury toys like motorcycles and jet skis. It's a rolling mansion with a garage included. Of course, at $450,000, this motorhome isn't for everyone. It's a symbol of wealth, a toy for those who already own private jets and yachts. But even if most of us will never own one, it's still fascinating to see how far luxury engineering has come. The fusion of Bugatti's hypercar technology and Rolls-Royce's timeless craftsmanship creates something truly unique, a glimpse into the future of road travel for the elite. So, is the 2026 Bugatti and Rolls-Royce motorhome worth $450,000? For the average person, absolutely not. But for those with the means, it offers the best of all worlds: hypercar performance, Rolls-Royce luxury, and the freedom of an RV lifestyle. It's speed, elegance, and adventure, all wrapped into one futuristic package. And there you have it. The incredible 2026 Bugatti and Rolls-Royce motorhome, a $450,000 masterpiece that redefines what it means to travel in style. Whether you see it as an engineering marvel, a symbol of luxury excess, or the ultimate dream machine, one thing is certain: this is no ordinary RV. It's a once-in-a-generation creation that turns the road into a runway of power and prestige. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos on the world's most fascinating cars, luxury innovations, and future tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.